食堂，我找那个老店成了，我吃养到农保很大，他班材料嘛是给做上个呢，你要谈这边梦内，我要到北东，我了解这个产业很偏，给大家解答，我要通常呢，我通常，这人要么上面是老，在这西大是就这个地方，这人要到路上 OK。班材料嘛是给黑东西啊，上的被梦内过，就要到这情感了。I'll go
to very, very sweet performance done by Chan Chu. Coming up next will be our first traditional Hmong dances of the show. In the song Luning Koshia, it talks about what life was like before the Vietnam War. It talks about the simpler days of the Hmong people and stresses the importance of a helpful community. Our dancers hope to express the unity of the Hmong people as they adjust to the United States, as well as trying to hold on to these traditional values. Please welcome onto the stage, the Hmong Koshia.